AI agents are getting more powerful every day. We are running NIN automation, deploying AI content system, or connecting APIs like OpenClaw. But here's the real question. Where are you actually hosting all of this? Because the infrastructure matters more than the tools themselves. Most creators and developers start with shared hostings or third-party automation tools. But then what happens? Limited performance, rate limits, no root access, background process stop running, and webhooks fail. And when you start working with AI-powered systems, these problems get worse. AI content engines, automation triggers, and background bots, they are all required consistent resources. This is why VPS, Virtual Private Server, is such a powerful solution. Instead of sharing resources, you get dedicated CPU, dedicated RAM, full root access, and custom environment setup. That means you can install exactly what your AI stack needs. If you're running AI-powered content deployment, self-hosted automation like NIN, OpenClaw integrations, API-based bots, or even hybrid AI architectures, a VPS gives you control without enterprise-level complexity. Let's make this practical. You install NIN on your VPS, it runs 24/7. It handles webhooks, Telegram alerts, CRM syncs, email triggers without external dependency. You run your bot backend, long-running process, and API calls directly from your VPS. No session drops, no timeout issues. And this is my favorite, front-end build using Hostinger Horizons. Backend logic, automation, databases hosted on VPS. That separation gives you fast view generation, full backend control, clean architecture, and better scalability. Now we move into the sponsored integration naturally. So the real question becomes, if you are building like this, which VPS you should choose. And this is where I want to introduce a platform powering setups like this. Today's video is sponsored by Hostinger VPS Hosting. Before starting, you can get the best deal with using this discount code. What I like about it, especially for AI and automation setups, is multiple scalable plans, full root access, fast deployment, snapshot backups, firewall or security tools. After selecting your plan, you can choose a period. So 1 year period will give you the best deal for the masses. Next step is choosing your server location. For this time, I will choose United Kingdom for the best results. Then select your operation system. I will choose Ubuntu. After selecting the best alternative operating system and application for you, the next step is payment. After filling this billing address information like first name, last name, country, state, and etc., the next step will be the last step, the payment method. There are a lot of payment methods like credit card, PayPal, Alipay, CoinGate, and etc. Here is why this matters for AI builders. When you're deploying automation workflows, model endpoint, or backend APIs, you need stability. Hosting your VPS gives you predictable performance. You are not fighting shared hosting limitations. You are building on real infrastructure. If you're serious about AI-powered deployment, self-hosted NIN, OpenClaw integrations, and hybrid AI app stacks, then VPS infrastructure is not optional, it's foundational. So my dear friends, you can check out the hosting your VPS through the link in the description. If you like this video, please don't forget to like video, subscribe channel, and I'll see you in my next videos.